How to cancel Telegram Premium subscription on iPhone. In today's video, I'll show you how to cancel your Telegram Premium subscription on your iPhone. If you've decided you no longer want to keep your Telegram Premium account, follow the simple steps to cancel it. So let's get started. First, go to the Settings app on your phone. And this is where you'll manage all your subscription and account settings. At the top of the settings menu, tap on your Apple ID. If you're not signed in, make sure to sign in with the Apple ID that was used to subscribe to Telegram Premium. Inside the Apple ID settings, simply tap on Subscriptions. Here you'll find a list of all active subscriptions linked to your Apple ID. Scroll down the list of subscription until you find Telegram Premium. Tap on Telegram Premium to view the subscription details. Once you're on the Telegram Premium page, tap on Cancel Subscription at the bottom. You'll be prompted to confirm your cancellation. Tap Confirm to complete the process. After cancelling, the status will change to expires on the following date. This means you'll have access to Telegram Premium until the current billing cycle ends. And that's it. You've successfully cancelled your Telegram Premium subscription on your iPhone.